Oswal, and my age is 33 years. I have been married almost 6 years now, and Homeocare I have taking medicines since last 1 year and 2 months, because almost 5 years of marriage nothing had happened, and then we came to Hyderabad, so I could not continue any other treatment, and suddenly we came to know about this Homeocare International through internet. So we thought at least let's visit. We don't know what it is, nothing we knew about it except that there's a clinic which is close to my house. So I thought I would, if I need to travel, I can travel. That was the only issue because we were new to Hyderabad. So when I came here, I was given a consultation which was free. And that is time when the doctor actually told me that okay, I was taking allopathy, I was taking everything, but then obviously I also knew that allopathy has a lot of side effects, and because of miscarriage as it is, I was now no to allopathy, almost like we were no to anything right now. So then he told us that how homeopathy can help me, because there will be no side effects first of all. Secondly, the problem that I have, that will homeopathy will cure. And allopathy, what they were doing is they was only giving medicine so that I can conceive, but the internal problem that I had, that is my regular periods were not there, so that treatment will not be done in allopathy. So the medicines that I was taking to conceive, I know that definitely in the long run it will be harmful for me. So we came here, he gave us a consultation. I was still not sure what to do, not to do. Then my husband told me that as it is, we are not going to allopathy, and why not try for homeopathy, because first of all it will have no side effects. Secondly, let's see if something can come out good, because at least if your internal problem is cured, then as it is you can conceive, there will be no problem. So then we thought okay, let's go for it, and we started taking treatment, and nothing, I mean it was like a magic for us. In January, after 3 months only, I conceived. I still then after that homeopathy people only, doctor told me that I have to now consult allopathy also. So I said okay fine, because I have to take allopathic medicines after conceiving, which is important. But he said that we will side by side give you homeopathy also. So I went to allopathic doctor, and when I told allopathic doctor that I am taking homeopathy, he said stop it, no more homeopathy. But I will continue until my whole of pregnancy, and even after pregnancy I am still taking homeopathy, and it has really helped me. So for me it's a very, very, very positive, it's a blessing in disguise.
And second thing is, నా పేరు కేసీ